please. Houston, we've had a problem. We've had a main beam on undervolt. Roger, main beam undervolt. Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
We have the next picture, and this one is a little bit spooky because, as I said before, I haven't seen this picture before. I'm just looking at them for the first time now. What are we looking at here? Because I see a round object with a lot of holes in it. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, probably more.
Yeah, I probably more. Yes.
What do you think we are looking at?
In the minute I saw it, I realized that I'm looking at some high-tech device, or remains of it, or part of it, or whatever. That's how it appears to me, and it could be part of a turbine, or who knows, a pump, or some other type of machine, and. Again, I thought it was important to estimate the size of it, and it's quite tiny. It's about this size. I thought it was. It wowed me also.
I'm looking at the next picture here. Also, it's the same where you can see it in the raw image also.
Yes.
This is a great one. Let me tell you a little story, because just today I was at an amusement park in Denmark with my son, and they had a lot of roller coaster stuff, etc., like that. But they also had an area where we have all these water amusements, what you call it in English, area with waterfalls, and you can go swim and bathe and water sliding. And they had in the middle of that, one of those areas, this pole in the middle, where the water comes out from the top from something that looks like that in a direction all the way around, like in a shower. It just reminded me of that, but only because I was just looking at a similar object in real life today at that amusement park. Do you get what I mean?
Yes.
It looks like something that could create a shower,
or a waterfall.
360-degree shower.
Or a miniature flying saucer.
That would be a very little flying saucer.
Yes.
If it was so. But it would be great if it was. We have the next one. That one have I seen before in some of the Facebook group. I also did this one myself, so this one I know.
Yeah, quite a few people were doing this. And of course, everybody was running into it and saying, "What the hell is that?" I thought it's amazing. It's not very large in size.
No.
I think we can see that. Let's see what we have here next.
We have 2 more pictures here of the same.
Yeah. And I thought it was beautiful.
It is.
Extraordinary. Mystery. It's very mysterious. What the hell is this? And I thought it was made me very curious of what it could be.
It's a great object. It's it really got my attention, and again, it's a tiny object.
Yeah.
But what we are looking at, we will probably never know. But these kinds of objects are fascinating because they don't look like it's created by nature. It looks like something that is left of something that once was bigger than what we are looking at. Construction of a kind, or maybe even some kind of bones. What do we know? It's a great one. It's a really great one. We have another one here, and what looks like some pyramids in the background.
Yes, I think that this is one of the great images that were released by NASA. That pyramid on the left side, it's so obvious, so beautiful. It reminds me of the Giza pyramid.
How far away would you think this pyramid is from the rover?
Easily a couple miles. Easily. Maybe more. Who knows? Maybe Neville would know how to calculate it better. Who knows? I don't know. But it's amazing. We have quite a few shots of this pyramid and also other pyramids. And this is one of the good shots. And I processed this on a larger scale. And it's just breathtaking. It's, I've had some people that I know that looked at this and they were stunned, absolutely stunned.
I can understand that, for sure. It's a great one.
Yes.
The next picture you have also shows a pyramid.
Yeah, we.
This is not the same pyramid, right? No,
No,
it's another one. Yes.
Another one. Gerald Turner, that one called it the Dark Pyramid. We also have lots of shots of this pyramid from different angles, and this is from this is a really good shot of it. Also, it's far from the rover, at least a mile, if not probably more, and it's fantastic. And there's also other things around it. Very interesting stuff. I don't have close-ups of it here, but below the Dark Pyramid, first of all, you can see another dome that from this angle is covering part of the pyramid.
Just to the right side of it, yeah.
It appears more on the side, and you can see the different angle, the whole complex there from a different angle. Anyhow, when you go below the pyramid and to the right, there is some very interesting object on the color of it is like sort of grayish, and it looks like a part of a saucer, maybe.
It looks like a dome-shaped.
Yes, it almost doesn't belong there. Like somebody put it there or something. Okay. This image that I sent you is a large size. So if you zoom into it, you can see the object we're talking about. You can see it very clearly. The grayish, silverish, at the bottom on the right. And also, if you go in the top of the Dark Pyramid and you go to the right, just after the slope of that mountain, there is openings there on the hill of bunkers or something that goes right into inside the planet.
Into the mountain, yeah.
Yeah.
To the underground.
You enlarge it, you can see it so clearly that it's amazing.
It's a great picture. I really like it. The Dark Pyramid. It's a good title for a picture like that.
Okay, and here I even forgot that I put it on. This is a Dark Pyramid from a different angle.
Okay.
You can see the dome now is on the left side.
Very clear.
Yes.
This is an amazing one.
The next one shows the raw image from longer shot and closer, and then the processed. So I like to show the raw image and the processed image so people will know exactly what I did to it. If you show only your processed work, and people say, well, who knows what he did?
Yeah, exactly.
But this way, they can look and compare and see if they like what I did or not.
It's a good way of doing it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I want to jump on to the next image, which also looks like a mass cam image, and a lot of is going on. I know this image because I also processed this one a little while ago.
I just saw, before we talked, I just saw that you put a video.
Yeah, it's an older one. It's a month old or something.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's it's amazing one.
It is. It looks like ruins. If we're looking to the top right of the picture, it looks like there is a cube that's broken.
Yeah, this is the overview. Flip on to the next one.
We go to the next one here, and we get closer. Yes.
Yes, on the there's two cubes. The one that is sort of hollow on the right, and there's one right next to it, another cube. You can see the two sides, and then left to that, there is some rock or whatever, and it has some strange shapes into it. I was fascinated by it, and I can even, at least in my head, I see a face at the bottom of that rock.
I see what you mean. But that also looks like a part of a construction, still standing, a wall connected to another wall, connected to another wall, creating what once was maybe a room, a construction of a kind. Where the cubes are in the background, I see this roof, and you see the lines of the roof, just like we have a garage at our houses, where you can park your car in. It looks like there was something, an opening there where you could drive in, fly in, or whatever they did up there back then. This is an amazing picture. This is a really great one. And the next picture is also amazing in its own way, because the first thing I'm thinking of here is a pillow.
Sorry. Yes, this one is another fascinating image. Many people saying that it's a nap place of someone that just ready for a nap. There is like a flat bed and a pillow. My first thought of it was that it looks like a weapon of some sort. You know, the ones that you throw and it turns.
Oh, yeah.
For eight or something.
Yeah.
The pillow in the bed is more appealing.
Ninja weapons.
It looks, the way it's positioned there, it looks like someone put it there.
It really does, yes.
Someone put it there. And it's not just how did it get there like this.
On the next picture, I see it from a distance again here, where you can see the area around it. And yes, it really looks like it doesn't belong there at all.
Yes.
Pillow or weapons? I wonder what you guys out there are thinking. You can please leave a message on Facebook or on YouTube of what your thoughts on these images are. I want to go on to the next image, and I know that one also because I also been there. That's a great one, showing some square frames in a rock that actually looks more like, if you see it on a distance, it looks like a huge skull or a rock shaped like one. If you go a little bit closer, it looks like an entrance to something. What do you think of that image?
I see a face.
You see a face.
Yeah, it's some eerie looking face. That's what got me there. I saw a face. It's a weird face, but I have the two eyes, kinda. I have the nose, I have the mouth, and this is what it it radiates in my consciousness. Also, into the left of it, there is some white, bright thing.
Yes.
That looks also very interesting. I couldn't tell you what it is, if it's just a rock or what, but it looks very interesting. The whole thing looking, actually, a whole of Mars is very interesting.
Yes.
Everywhere you look, it's like...
why we're doing what we're doing.
Oh.
Rami, that was all the pictures you have chosen for today's 15 minutes. That became 30 minutes instead, but doesn't matter. These were 30 great, awesome minutes with you again. Do you have anything you want to add to your pictures here to the people watching?
Spread the word around.
Yes.
Let your friends know this, because it's quality and it's worth it. It's something that people should know about, and it's important that they will know. It's important for our perception of life, for our evaluating our own existence in this complex, in this constellation, in this time space, and be good to your friends.
Always. I have one last question for you. Do you think we will ever, while we are alive, get a full disclosure on Mars?
I think we got it.
You think we got it, but
we got it. Yes, we're getting it every day, and we got it. But if I know what you mean, you mean as official.
Official with pictures of what we know is up there, but we never been showed.
I tell you, I so much don't understand the higher levels and their motives. I mean, it's easy to say that they are bad and they are and greedy, and this is the easy solution, you know. And they are so bad and all this, but I think that there's so many things I don't know that it's hard for me to make the right how do you say this? Equations. You know, to figure out the cosmos. It's understanding. It's knowledge and understanding together. It's a process. Now there is so much data that we miss, like what's going on Mars, for instance. Now we are lucky to know part of what's going on in there and to upgrade our perception of life in comparison to what the masses are being told. So we are already in a higher plane of understanding this. But to fully understand why they don't disclose, we still lack more information of the reasons why they don't disclose. Now, as I said, it's easy to say that they are bad and they're control freaks and this, and probably it's all true. But maybe, perhaps, there are more things that we don't know that make this more complex than one may think it is. I don't know. And I certainly hope that disclosure will come, not only on Mars, but also on the extraterrestrial presence on Earth. And I know it will happen one day, for sure.
Yes, I'm convinced of that too.
Yeah, I don't know. Knows what's coming.
No. That was the word and the pictures from Rami today. Rami, thank you a million times for joining us here today.
Thank you, Thomas, for having me. It's been a pleasure.
It's been fun, for sure. Great to have you. And for the rest of you out there, until we see again, take care. Bye.